Hello everyone. Welcome to our sleep lecture channel. Tonight, we're not just going to talk about sleep, we're going to journey into it, guided by the gentle, creeping darkness of the evening. Think about how night arrives. It's not a sudden switch. It's a slow, graceful process. The sun dips below the horizon, and the world is painted in soft hues of orange and purple. The vibrant blue of the day softens, deepens, and gradually gives way to a velvety, star-dusted canopy. This is nature's own sleep signal, a quiet, universal invitation to rest. Our bodies are designed to respond to this natural rhythm. For thousands of years, our ancestors lived by the sun and the moon. As the darkness crept in, it was a cue to wind down, to gather close, and to prepare for a period of restorative rest. The absence of light tells our brain, it's time. A tiny gland in our brain, the pineal gland, gets the message and begins to produce melatonin, the hormone of darkness, which makes us feel sleepy. But in our modern world, we often fight against this natural pull. We surround ourselves with artificial light, bright screens on our phones, tablets, and televisions, long after the sun has set. These bright lights can trick our brains into thinking it's still daytime, suppressing melatonin production and making it harder to fall asleep. It's like trying to go to sleep while someone keeps flicking the lights on. So tonight I invite you to embrace the creeping darkness. An hour or two before you plan to sleep, begin your own personal sunset. Dim the lights in your home. Swap the bright overhead lights for a soft, warm lamp. This simple change can signal to your brain that the day is ending and the time for rest is approaching. It's a way of realigning ourselves with the ancient, natural cycle of day and night. Think of this dimming light as a gentle hand on your shoulder, guiding you away from the busyness of the day. It's a transition period. Use this time not for stimulating activities, but for calming ones. Perhaps you could listen to some soft music, read a few pages of a book under that warm lamp, or do some light stretching. The goal is to create a buffer zone between the on state of your day and the off state of your night. This transition is crucial. We often expect to jump from 100 miles per hour straight into a deep sleep, but it rarely works that way. Our minds and bodies need time to decelerate. The creeping darkness is your runway. It gives you the space to slow down, to process the day, and to let go of any lingering stress or worries. Imagine each thought as a cloud drifting across the evening sky, becoming fainter and fainter as the darkness deepens. Now let's talk about the darkness in your bedroom. For the best possible sleep, your bedroom should be a sanctuary of darkness, a cave. This means minimizing all sources of light. Use blackout curtains or blinds to block out street lights or the early morning sun. Cover or unplug any electronics with glowing lights. Even that tiny dot of light from a charging cable can be disruptive to your sleep quality. If you can't make your room completely dark, a comfortable sleep mask can be an excellent tool. It creates your own personal bubble of darkness, no matter where you are. The goal is to create an environment where your brain feels secure and knows without a doubt that it is time to rest deeply. When you lie down in this quiet, dark space, pay attention to your breathing. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest. With each exhale, imagine you are releasing the day. Let go of the to-do lists, the conversations, the lingering emotions. Allow the darkness to envelop you like a warm, comforting blanket. It's not something to be feared. It's your ally in restoration. In this deep, quiet dark, your body does its most important work. Your muscles repair, your memories are consolidated, and your energy stores are replenished for the day ahead. Sleep is not a passive state. It's an active, vital process of healing and rejuvenation. The darkness is the stage upon which this incredible performance takes place every single night. Sometimes our minds can feel busy in the dark. Worries can seem larger, more imposing. If this happens, don't fight it. Acknowledge the thought and then gently guide your focus back to your breath. Imagine the darkness is a vast, calm ocean, and you are simply floating on its surface. The thoughts are just distant ripples that don't need to disturb your peace. You might find it helpful to have a worry time earlier in the evening, during your wind-down period. Spend 10 minutes writing down everything that's on your mind. Once it's on paper, you give yourself permission to let it go for the night, knowing you can address it in the morning. This can prevent those thoughts from creeping in when you're trying to drift off. As you get used to this routine of embracing the creeping darkness, you'll notice a change. You'll start to feel sleepy at a more consistent time. You'll find it easier to fall asleep. And the sleep you get will feel deeper and more refreshing. You are simply rediscovering and honoring the powerful natural rhythm that has been within you all along. The beauty of the night is its stillness. The world quiets down and it gives us a chance to quiet down with it. Let the silence and the darkness be a source of comfort and peace. It's a nightly reset button, a chance to shed the day and prepare for a fresh start. So your challenge for this week is to become a student of the darkness. Observe how the light changes in the evening. Create your own personal sunset in your home. Make your bedroom a true sanctuary of sleep, as dark and as quiet as you can. Pay attention to how it makes you feel. See it not as an absence of light, but as a presence of calm. Thank you so much for joining me for this sleep lecture. I hope you found these ideas helpful on your journey to better rest. If you enjoyed this, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more content designed to help you sleep well and live better. Now I wish you a calm evening and a night filled with deep, restorative sleep. Good night.